Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use the R6 marketplace, which is the Rainbow Six marketplace, okay, in order to sell and to buy items such as, headgear, armor, so on, so on, okay? First of all, what you need to have is a Ubisoft account in which you're playing the game currently, okay? And yeah, we're just gonna go to Google now and we're gonna type for R6 marketplace and we're gonna click on the first result, okay, or actually the second result in my case because I want it to be in English. And then it's gonna basically ask you to log into your account, to your Ubisoft account, and yeah, you're just gonna do that, okay? And then you're gonna get this page here, which is the marketplace. In my case, I don't meet the current requirements to actually trade because I don't have a level of 25, so I cannot do it, okay? But if you actually get a level that is better than this, you're gonna be able to trade. Now, as you can see, we have our balance, which is going to be like our credits that we have. You're going to get credits by playing Rainbow Six, but you can also buy credits by clicking on this button here and just selecting a pack, okay, of actual credits, okay, which is going to cost you money, of course, okay. Now, after you have enough credits, or even if you don't have credits, you can sell and you can buy items. Okay, so let's actually go to the buy section and we can select whatever we want, okay? We can select for weapon skins, for, armors, headgear, so on, so on, so on. Okay, so this is something that you can do. You can filter by the type of thing that you want to buy, for example, for a weapon skin, similar to how you could do it in Counter-Strike. And then you will see how much it's going to cost you basically, okay? And you can make like a purchase order and things like that, okay? You can see here what is the price, okay? And yeah, and you can do exactly the same for selling. Okay, here you're gonna get your items that you have currently, and then you can sell them. Okay, what's important to notice here when you're actually making you know a purchase here is that not necessarily are you going to be able to buy a weapon for a certain price. You have to place like a sale order at a certain price, at a certain credits, okay? And depending on the number of users that have this skin and the price at they want to sell it, you're going to get it or not, okay? So just place something that is reasonable and always focus on your last sold ad, which is going to be basically what is the last price that this item was last sold at, okay? And then you can set like a reasonable price, okay? Thank you so much, guys.